Hello everyone, my name is Sagar Pudale. I'm an English teacher in Sant Tukaram National Model School, Latur. We have started a series on adverbs. In last couple of videos, we have seen what are the adverbs, how they are formed from the adjectives by adding the suffix ly, and the kinds of the adverbs like adverbs of place and the adverbs of manner that we have seen. And in today's video, we are going to see adverbs of frequency. So let's start it. Adverbs of manner and adverbs of place. They were very suggestive of what function they do in a sentence. I mean, what kind of information they give us about the action. For example, when I say adverbs of place, immediately we get that an idea that it tells us about the place of the action. Same for adverbs of manner. When someone tells you or asks you about adverbs of manner, immediately it strikes to our mind that adverbs of manner, they will tell us in what manner action is done. Same for this adverbs of frequency. Frequency, do you recollect these words? Well, you might have heard it in maths. Frequency. Well, the frequency means here repetitions. How many times an action is repeated? How many times it will be repeated in the future, or it was repeated in the past, or it is repeating right now. For example, I told you once. How many times did I tell you? Just once. Then she did the same mistake twice. How many times she did that mistake? Twice. As I was asking the question where for the adverb of place, here I have to ask the question how many times. If you ask the question how many or how often, you will get the adverb of frequency. So the words like once, twice, thrice, always, never, sometimes, they are our adverbs of frequency. Let's see a few examples. The children always go to the school on the bus. They always go to the school. When I say how often they go to the school, always. Each day that action is repeated. Not a single time there is a gap in the action. Every day it is repeated. How often or how many times? These two words, these two questions you can ask to get the adverbs of frequency. So here the word always is our adverbs of frequency. Opposite of this, we have never. Always, never. I'll never make that mistake again. How often, how many times I will make that mistake? Not a single time, because I got a lesson. So in future, I'm not going to make that mistake. Not a single time, never. Next we have, I clean my bedroom every day. How often do I clean my bedroom? Every day. If you like the cleanliness in your bedroom, if you are a hygienic person, every day, you might clean it. And if someone is lazy, he might clean it once in a week, twice in a week, or once in a month. So once, twice, every day, always, never. They will tell us how often, how many times action is repeated. Next we have dad polishes his shoes twice a week. Twice a week means 2 times in a week. Thrice means 3 times. Once means just 1 time. So these words tell us how often an action is repeated, how many times it will be done. So we call it adverbs of frequency. Words like often, always, never, seldom, once, twice, thrice, they all come in this adverbs of frequency. I hope you understood this. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video.